Samarth, do you know while I was coming out of the library yesterday, suddenly the alarm went off. Do you know why?
Ayush, that is because the books in our library have RFID tags attached. Utsav, do you remember we studied RFIDs in the last sem?
Yeah, radio frequency identification or RFID is the wireless use of electromagnetic fields to transfer data for the purposes of automatically identifying and tracking tags attached to objects. Unlike a barcode, the tag does not necessarily need to be within the line of sight of the reader and may be embedded in the tracked object.
But how do these work?
A radio frequency identification system has three parts: a scanning antenna, a transceiver with a decoder to interpret the data, and a transponder that has been programmed with information.
The reader, which you must have seen at the exit, produces EM waves in the radio frequency region. The changing magnetic field through the coil of the tag induces an EMF across it. The AC current induced is then converted to DC with the help of a rectifier and a filter.
But what is a rectifier?
A full wave rectifier consists of system of diodes which performs the mod operator on the input.
The DC input acts as the power supply for the microchip inside the tag. The microchip encodes the unique identity of the tag using amplitude modulation. The LC circuit then oscillates at the frequency of the modulated wave, hence producing it. These waves are detected by the reader and the alarm goes off.
How does the LC circuit produce a wave?
Initially, the capacitor gets charged up. As the capacitor discharges, current in the circuit increases, and the energy of the capacitor gets transferred to the inductor. When the capacitor gets discharged, the current in the circuit starts charging it up, and the energy gets transferred back to the capacitor. This cycle continues on, and it is termed as LC oscillation. Due to accelerating charged particles, these oscillations produce EM waves.
Whoa, I didn't think there was so much going on as the alarm went off.